So this is the screen recording of the demo for the user experience for this digital learning app I'm building called KayJay. The first slide shows the welcome screen. So this will, the loading screen. So this is what will show when the application is first opened. And the second screen here is our welcome screen. So this gives the user the option to either log in or start an account. Since Start Account has more info in the flow, I'm going to go through that flow. So when a user starts an account, we'll give the option to enter an email address and a password, or they can click on these tooltips and they can we will show information on how to create an email and how to create a secure password. This wording isn't finalized yet, but it gives you the general idea of what will be here. So if a user does not have an email address, they can click this link and we will show them to the Google page where they can create a new Google account. And if they don't have, or they don't know how to create a secure password, we also link out to a site that will show them tips on using a secure password. So the next step in the process would be to try to enter an email address and a password. In this case, we also have protections against weak passwords. So if the user tries to enter a password that's too short, for an example, we have a tooltip that'll pop up and say, please make your password more secure because of the following. This is also not set in stone, this wording right here. So once the user has gotten through the sign up step, we'll give them a survey if they're a new user or if it's been a certain amount of time since they've taken the survey, so that we can gauge how well this app is helping them learn or how much they have learned since they began using the app. And these are just simple questions. The next screen that they will see is just a search screen on how they need help. Generally, we would tell them to type in the subject that they need help with. So for example, math. And once we see what they need help with, we're going to do a search for that integration. So the loading screen again will pop up. And then we'll direct them to the math integration that we have chosen. So in this case, PhotoMath, which is an app that lets you take a picture of a math problem and then it walks you through the steps of solving it. So this is the UX of the KayJay app thus far. Thank you.